Mabuhay Pilipinas, what's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa pang Duanto Vlog, starring Pabibo.
Bibo.
Yes, at Pabibe.
At Baby.
Yes. Ngayon, pupunta kami sa pinakamagandang part ng Cariga. So, ito yung morning routine namin ni Nitro. Sunrise here is usually mga 5:30 a.m. Oh, the sun's almost coming up, Nitro. We gotta hurry. Before kami papunta sa Pantalan, bibili kami ng pandesal. Ayun, ito na siya. Ito yung bake shop. Ay, bibili tayo, Nitro. Hanggang umaga.
Morning, sir. Ilan, sir?
10 na pulo.
10 piraso?
Oo.
Pila na?
May dana ba? Ah, waray pa. Ah, naglaluto pa. Ito nga crinkles nila.
Crinkles?
Oo.
Pera?
Duha. Say hi, Nitro. Say hi.
Ayan nila kuya ka.
Ayun. Salamat, liwat. Sit down. Lingkod. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Come on. Daddy's gonna get on too. Sit down. Na, Nitro. Uh-oh. The sun's almost above the mountains, Nitro.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Almost there, buddy. Oh, here we are, Nitro. This is the big jetty that goes out over the water. It's the water? Yeah, it's that big water, hey? Oh, wow, looks cool, isn't it, hey? It's pretty cool. Yeah. Dito kami ni Nitro. Ngayon, kumakain habang nanonood ng sunrise. Hey, Nitro.
They flow there.
I'm gonna come up behind those mountains soon. What's that, Nitro? Huh? No, no, don't throw it. Don't throw it. Ito po ang Carigara. Yun yung mga mountains sa likod. Ito yung Baywalk. Pupunta tayo doon. Nitro! Let's go to the Baywalk? Yeah? Let's go to the Baywalk, come on. Go, Nitro! Oh, pangaga. Go, Nitro! There you go. Turn left. Ayun. This is an ongoing project ng government. Ginagawa nila ng ganito para iwas distraction kapag may bagyo. Go, Nitro! So this massive wall is going to end up being more than 20 kilometers long in different parts around Leyte. And it's going to stop the waves from destroying the coast during a big typhoon like Yolanda. The Great Wall of Leyte. You like the Philippines, Nitro?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
No? Yes or no? Which one?
I'm like Philippines.
You like Philippines?
No.
So ngayon, nakita na namin ang sikat ng araw. Pupunta na kami kay Mami Shanta. Nandito siya, malapit lang siya. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, nag-zumba si Mami Shanta. Kasi putete na daw siya. Puntahan natin si Mami, Nitro. Hey, Nitro, you wanna go see Mami? You wanna go see Mami do Zumba? Oh, we saw the sunrise, baby Nitro. Woohoo! Tara na, punta tayo kay Mami. Mami looks funny doing Zumba. Hey. Yes. Alright, so si Mami Shanta andun siya sa boulevard. Sa dulo ng boulevard. Nitro, come on, let's go see Mami. Come on. Come on, you cheeky boy. Nitro, what's Mami doing?
Doing Zumba.
Yeah, she's doing Zumba. Look, Nitro, there's Mummy. There's Mummy down there. There she is. Let's go.
Hi! Ako
Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Oh, mommy's all done. She's all done. Oh, yeah. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Go to mommy.
Awa di man yung video ito.
Oh, video. Hi. Yay.
May challenge ako sa'yo.
Ano yun?
Sa Saturday, kasali kang magzuzumba. Tingnan natin. Sige na.
Kaloka.
Si ano magbabantay kay Nitro. Oh, yeah.
You're beautiful.